Show me how you start this.
Oh, okay, that's what we're doing. All right. So it's a whole little process.
Do you need more light?
Yeah, do you need more light?
No, we should be good.
Come with, oh wait, are you already recording?
Yeah.
All right, come with me, come with me. So first, there's a whole sequence. So first you go in here, very key point right here. Make sure you're neutral. Go ahead, put that bitch in, just turn it on. That's where you gotta
What do you mean turn it on?
you just turn it to on. You don't,
It doesn't start?
no, it doesn't start from here.
Oh.
But we run over here and we got a button and we just go, and it's alive.